I didn't expect to see you here.
You never do.
You don't know what you're talking about.
Soap operas are addictive, dramatic, emotional, and guess what? You don't need actors, cameras, or a studio to make one anymore.
I didn't expect to see you here.
You never do when you're hiding something.
You should leave.
I know about the money, Maya.
You don't know anything.
2 transfers. Same account. Same night your father disappeared.
You don't know what you're talking about. You promised. You promised you'd never look into my past.
I wouldn't have if someone hadn't warned me.
Who? I did. You? You should have told him the truth.
What truth?
Julian, he's not missing.
This entire soap opera was created with AI. The characters, the scenes, the drama, all of it. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create binge-worthy AI soap operas like this, step by step. So first we're going to start on ChatGPT. This is where you're going to get your storyline, your title, and your characters. Yes, even generate them. So now you're going to paste into ChatGPT. Give me a 60-second, it could be any amount you want, script for a binge-worthy soap opera titled whatever your title is, Glass Promises, and leave it with a cliffhanger. Then click generate and it will give you this really good cliffhanger, binge-worthy 60-second script called Glass Promises, like I put. It gives you names and what they'll say. You can change that if you want, but I'm going to keep it just like this. Now you need to generate what your characters will look like. You're going to come back down to the prompt box where you ask ChatGPT, and you're going to put in, can you describe these characters? Julian is a black man with short cut. Maya is a light-skinned black woman with curly hair. Don't worry, all my prompts are inside my community, so you will be able to follow along better. Then you're going to generate it, and it's going to give you 2 prompts, one of Maya and one of Julian, but it's going to be very descriptive and in-depth of what they'll look like. You can change anything in the paragraph, but they both look great to me. You're going to copy Julian. At the top on the left-hand corner, there's 2 little lines. Click it, and then click Images. This is where you're going to generate the images of your characters. Where it says describe an image, paste in the prompt of what Julian will look like. Make sure at the bottom you put 9:16 so that you can get more of a full body picture of them. Sometimes it will repeat the prompt back to you. Just put create it and then it will start generating it. This is Julian. He looks handsome. I'm going to keep him. Click save. If there's something you don't like, just change it. Just put in the prompt of what you'd want to change. Then you're going to paste in Maya's, and this is what she will look like. And then once all your characters are done, you're going to click save. These are the images you're going to use to create the scenes with them in it. So once you're done, you're going to go back to your storyboard where you created everything with the prompts, and you're going to put create me prompts for each scene with 2 angles and lip synced. I'm using VO3, create each prompt one at a time. And this is going to be the first scene. It also gave me 2 angles, so it looks more theatrical. I really like how ChatGPT created this. Looks really good. I asked for one at a time because ChatGPT can only generate so much. And if I ask for one at a time, I get more of a description for each scene. So once you're done and you have your description, you're going to copy it. Then you're going to take it over to Safari and put in Labs Google. Don't worry, it's linked. And then you're going to click on Flow. This is where we're going to create our scenes with the lip sync and everything else. Click on New Project. And yes, you can use this on browser. It is mobile friendly. Then you're going to click on Text to Video and click on Ingredients to Video. Now you're going to upload your images of your character. Check your scene and upload the characters that are supposed to be in that scene. upload her, upload him. Now you can change the ratio of them, but I just leave it the way it is because you are going to change it later. Next, you're going to put in your prompt and you're going to change the ratio to 16:9. So click on settings right there, and then you're going to put in landscape 16:9. Also make sure your output is 1 and you're on VO.1 fast. Now you're going to paste in the prompt that we got from ChatGPT that we just generated. And now you're going to click generate on VO3 once everything is intact. Make sure you're on video because you can also generate images as well on here. Once you're done, this is what it will look and sound like.
They say the truth always finds its way out, but nobody tells you how sharp it is when it does.
That looked great. Okay, so once you're done and you have the one you want, you can either upscale it or download it the original size. I usually upscale. It only takes a couple seconds and it doesn't cost. Go back over to ChatGPT and in the chat where you generated the first scene and just write next, and it will give you the second scene with 2 angles just like we asked. So each scene will have 2 angles to make it more theatrical. Take it back over to Flow and do the exact same thing, and this is what you'll
I
get.
kept my promise. I did everything I could to protect you.
This one actually looks really good, so I'm just going to keep it. So once you have all of your scenes generated, you're going to put them together over in CapCut. This is where I'm going to put all of them together. This is the one that I created that you've seen in the beginning. I put all my videos together. I used no transitions because I want it to look like a full scene from a show. Sometimes when you generate the videos on VO3, it will give you little sounds of background music, but I added my own, as you can hear. I just went down to the bottom of CapCut. I clicked on audio, then I clicked sounds, and then I typed in soap opera background music. You will get a whole bunch of them that pop up, and you can use whatever ones you want. I'm pretty sure they're all copyrighted, but just to play it safe, I usually stick to the white and red ones because those ones are owned by CapCut. This is the one I used. And then I just added it in like this. And then you see the typing in the beginning where I say somewhere in Dubai at 4:35. I just wanted to make it seem mysterious that you just go to the text and put the text in like this. I also put the text at the end where it says to be continued. I did that part. It just takes 2 seconds, just like the somewhere in Dubai. And then you just put it at the end. I also made sure to turn up the music where it says to be continued, just like that. And then you export, you're done, and then you can upload it. If you're serious about creating with AI, from cinematic characters and realistic avatars to full videos, angles, movements, and monetization, this channel is for you. So make sure you're subscribed. And if you want deeper breakdowns, prompts, feedback, and behind the scenes help, join my community. That's where I teach everything I don't have time to cover here. Thanks for watching.